Okay, geometry students, welcome to class today on this Wednesday, the 24th. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're ready to work on some homework today and also take a quiz. Let's quickly go ahead and make some announcements here. There will be a test. Maybe next week. We're going to see if we can't get to that. So hopefully a test next week. You have no homework to turn in. Incomplete. Let me quickly pull this up here. See if I can find this real quick. Okay, please listen carefully, students, to these incompletes. Kaylee, you have a Chapter 2 test. I told you you could make it up by today, or I'd give you next week also because you missed all of last week, so don't forget about your makeup test. Page 115, this assignment right here, Brian, you owe me that. Page 115 here, students, Matthew and Brian, you owe me that assignment. And then this is from Monday, page 108, numbers 11 through 16, numbers 23 through 28. Charlie, Chandler, Alec, Cody, Aaron, and Blake. I did not get that from you guys. Now, Cody, you might have been taking the makeup test, and that's why you didn't turn it in. So you probably have that somewhere. I know Chandler, you were gone, so you probably have it. You were absent yesterday, so you couldn't turn in. Alec, you were absent yesterday. Blake, you were absent yesterday. Aaron, you and Chandler were on a golfing trip, I believe, or something like that. So, anyways, this is Monday's assignment, and I collected it yesterday on Tuesday, and some of you did not turn that in, so you have an incomplete or a zero, I guess I call it, until you turn that in, okay? So please get that taken care of as soon as possible, and let's continue on. The schedule for today, we're going to take a quiz and then work on homework. Your homework today is this. Please copy this down. Your homework today is page 123, numbers 6 through 25, all. Page 123, numbers 6 through 25, all. The homework help video is called Geometry Track 1, September 24th homework. Geometry Track 1, September 24th homework. And from number 15 to the end, you will be challenged. So use the video as much as you need. You're going to find some really good, awesome thinking, challenging problems in your homework. And this homework's due Monday, and I get so worried that you guys have 4 days off, so you forget. Most of you will not finish it in class, and most of you will have questions, so you're going to have to watch the video. And it is due Monday. Please don't forget to do it, okay? Before we go over the quiz, I want to announce if anyone missed class yesterday or Monday, you are allowed to not take this quiz, and you can take a makeup next week. So let Miss Frampton know if you are not taking the quiz. So I'm going to grab a drink here real quick. Think that over, raise your hand, let her know. And we're going to move on, okay? Go ahead and pause the quiz now, or go ahead and pause the video now at this time. If you would, please pause the video and pass out the quizzes. As soon as everybody has a quiz on their desk, then go ahead and restart the video, and I will go over the quiz with you, all right? Okay, here we go. Students, number 1, I'm telling you that A is parallel to C and C is parallel to B. What do I know about lines A and B? Draw a picture if you need to. If you draw a picture, it'll be really obvious. 1 and 2 are not difficult. Number 2, what do we know about lines A and B? If A is perpendicular to C and B is also perpendicular to C. Draw a picture if you need to. It'll make it a lot easier. Now listen carefully on 3, 4, and 5. Notice on 3, 4, and 5, I've given you the exact same linear system. 5x plus 2y equals -1, and x plus 3y equals 5. I want you to solve number 3 right there in the space, right there on the quiz, so I can make sure you did it the right way and use the linear combination method. Then number 4, I want you to solve the system again, only use the substitution method. You should get out the same answers for 3 and 4. If you're not, then at least one of them is wrong, if not both of them, okay? So you should get out the same answers for 3 and 4. Now number 5, even though it's the same problem, you might get out a slightly different answer, because sometimes when you're graphing and getting an answer, it's difficult to get a really exact answer. So, but number 5, if you do not get the same answer for number 5 that you did for 3 and 4, then it should be really close. Okay, so number 5, you're going to show your work and graph and show me how to find the answer by graphing. Okay, number 6, Write a linear equation for a line that passes through 5, 3 and is perpendicular to that line. You have to know what perpendicular slopes have in common. Number 7, write a linear equation for the line that passes through 0, 6 and is parallel to y equals 10x plus 3. You have to understand and know what parallel slopes have in common, okay? I hope you guys have a great day, a great quiz, a great weekend. Enjoy your extra time off. Please do your homework over the break. Don't forget to do that. And go ahead and get started now on the quiz. At this time, when you're finished, please get to work on homework. Do not disturb class. Thank you.